Hello there, welcome to Mike Earn. Yes, in this video we are looking at the next move of the EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDCHF and USDJPY. So I'll be making my predictions on this on my charts, on these charts here, for these currency pairs that I just mentioned. Right. So, but before we go into the business of the day, I'd like to let you know that I give free trading signals. Yes, free trading signals. I give free trading signals, and you can get those free trading signals on the channel, on the Mike N channel, and the link to that channel is in the description below. Go to the description below for the link. You see the link to the Mike N channel, Mike N Telegram channel. So when you see see the link, you can copy the link, paste it in your browser, and visit the site. It will take you directly to the Mike N Telegram channel, so you can join the channel and expect signals. Yeah, so that is that. And now the signals, you need to know that the signals are very profitable and they would really take your trading to the highest level of profitability. Yes, they would really help you. You can, try them out yourself and see for yourself that they would really help you. The signals will really, really, really help you. So it's really, really profitable. And this is not a bluff. You can check it out yourself. You can join and expect signals and see for yourself how profitable the signals that I give are. And yeah, also I offer account management service. I offer account management service as well. So if you would like me to manage your Forex account, you can reach out to me as well. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below as well. Go to the link, go to the description below, copy the link to my direct Telegram contact, paste it in your browser, and visit the site. It will take you to my DM, my Telegram DM. You can chat me up and let me know that you would like to engage my account management service, and we can talk about all the cons, the pros and cons, everything you need to know, and then we get started. One thing you need to know is that for my trading, I only make money when you make money, right? So I ensure that everything works out so that we can make profit, so that I can profit for you. I can trade well and make money for you, so I get my own commissions as well. So that's important. It's important that you know that, right? There's no hidden charges. Everything will be laid bare for you, right? So now let's go into the business of the day, the Euro USD currency pair. Now, just to mention about the account management service I talked about. Yes, you make a lot of money if you let me trade your Forex account. You definitely make a lot of money. That's one thing you need to know for sure. So now, first, let's go to the monthly time frame. We can see the monthly time frame. There was a breakdown here, and now we saw this, will I say, pause or range, and then we saw this drop again, and we're seeing the market move higher. Let's go down to the weekly. Same thing over here, same thing happening in the weekly. Let's go down to the daily and make our predictions. Now, the daily time frame is the time frame of is the execution time frame. So now let's take a look at this. If price comes into this zone, if price comes into the 1.14522 area and gives a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Right, that'll be my suggestion. I'll suggest that you go for a sell in that scenario. Go for a sell in that scenario, right? But I suggest that you go for a one-to-one because I'm not sure about the trend of the market right now. Just go for a one-to-one RR. If price pushes into the zone and gives us a bearish day close after below that zone, you can go for a sell. Another scenario we can look out for is if price comes back into the zone If price comes back into this 1.10948 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, you can go for a buy. You can go for a buy and keep it at a 1-to-1 as well, right? So that is B for the Euro USD. Now let's go to the GBP USD. For GBP USD, see the monthly. We see the GBP USD, it broke down here, and it looks as it appears to be making progress, and it appears to be making an attempt to make higher highs and make a new bullish trend. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm not going to see it as a bullish trend for now, because it has not. I'm not sure. Right? Let's just leave it at that. So the weekly time frame, the same thing is happening. So let's go to the daily time frame for predictions. So what should we expect? Now, if we see price come into, if we see price come into this 1.37472 area, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I suggest that you go for a sell. Right? Go for a sell. Go for a 1-to-1 RR sell. Right? Using the bearish day close candle as your risk candle. Now, if I also see price push down and come back into either of these zones, this 1.31608 or the 1.31166 area, if it gives and it goes into any of those zones, or it comes into both of those zones and gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones or both, if it gives us a bullish day close above either of those zones or both of those zones, then we can go for a bullish move, right? You can go for a buy, go for a 1-to-1, go for a 1-to-1 buy, 1-to-1 RR using the bullish day close candle as your risk candle, because I just think it's better to play it that way, especially when I don't want to make any decision on what the trend is right now, because I don't think I'm so sure. I'm not so sure what the trend is right now. So let's go down to the USDCHF. Now for USDCHF, what should we expect? Now we've seen USDCHF is a bearish market, right? This is a monthly time frame. We've seen market, go bearish. We've seen lower lows, and then we saw a range for some time, and we saw the market break out of that range. We've seen that retest of a zone there, and it appears like the market is pushing lower. So now let's go down to the weekly. So what do we have on the weekly? Same thing happening there. Let's go down to the daily time frame. What should we do now? So this will be my prediction. If I see price push high and come back into this 0.8001 zone after giving like a few days of price action, maybe like 5 to 6 days of price action, it comes into that zone, and if it gives a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a sell. That will be my suggestion. I'll suggest you go for a sell in that kind of scenario. But you can go for a 1-to-1 RR, or you can hold it and go and hold it to see if it will go to the next zone. You can hold it till it gets to the next zone, which is the 0.83195 or the 0.8, or you can hold it and see if it will get to the 0.82432, or you can even hold it and see how far it's going to go. You might just be in time to, you might just catch the next leg of the bearish move, because this is a very bearish market. So you might catch the next leg of the bearish move. Who knows? That's a possibility right there. So another scenario we can look out for the daily time frame, or for the analysis of USDCHF is a bullish scenario. So let's take this out of the way first. Now, don't forget, the daily time frame is our execution time frame, but for the sake of seeing the chart, because we can't see all this, we can't see this zone from the daily time frame, that's why I've zoomed out to the weekly. So now, if we see price drop into the zone, if we see price come into the 0 point, if we see price come into the 0.77155 area and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, you can go for a buy, right? You can look for a buy opportunity, but don't go for more than a 1-to-1. right? Don't go for more than a 1-to-1 if you have that bullish day close above that zone. Don't go for more than a 1-to-1. The reason is that this is a very bearish market, and you don't want to overstay your welcome in a when you're buying in a bearish market. So you have to be careful, right? So the same scenario with this down here, with this zone down here as well. So now let's go to the USDCHF. USDJPY rather. So now for the USDJPY currency pair, what should we look out for? This is the monthly time frame. You can tell it's been a bullish market, but in recent times we've had this. In recent times we've had, will I say, the market not making as much, bullish momentum as it made in like an area like this. You can see that, right? So something like that, it's not doing that for now, but it's still very valid on the long term, still very bullish. It's still a very bullish market. So this is what the weekly time frame is telling us. So let's go to daily and see what we expect. Now on the daily time frame, this is what I would suggest, that if price pushes high and comes into the 151.781 zone and it gives a bearish day close below that zone, I would suggest that you go for a sell, and I would suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 sell, because it's a bullish market in the long term, so you don't want to overstay your welcome when you're selling in a bullish market. Now if price comes down now another scenario is this: if price comes down to this 140.315 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. You can go for a 1-to-1 buy. You can hold and see if price will go back to the previous high, or you can hold and see if you got in just in time to catch the next leg of the bullish move, right? You just keep adjusting your stop loss and make sure you are protecting your profit, right? So I think that'll be my analysis for the USDJPY currency pair. That'll be my expectation. Don't forget, you are using the bullish day close, you're using the day close candle as your entry candle. So in this scenario, it's a bullish day close candle. In this other scenario here, it's the bearish day close candle that you'll be using that as your risk candle, right? So and in the sell, it's a 1-to-1. In this one, it can be a 1-to-1 or more, right? And don't forget, all these analysis I just made now, don't take any of them if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. I hope you understand that. Please and please do not take any of them if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. So that is what I would tell you, because I will not be responsible for your losses. So you have to be sure of what you are taking in the market. You have to be very, very sure. So that is it. I would like to remind you that I give rather, free forex signals on the Michael channel. Yes, you will get free forex signals on my channel, and it will help you to be very profitable. Yes, it will take your trading profits to the highest level. This is not a bluff, this is a fact. You can join the channel and find out for yourself. It would really, really help your trading. That's why I do what I do, to help traders. Yes, I do what I do to help traders. So if you would like to enjoy free signals that are highly profitable, the signals are not free because they are not worth it. No, they are actually very profitable, and I'm giving them for free. Any signal I post, I am taking them myself. So I don't give signals that I don't take, because I know how profitable my signals are. So you can join the forex, the Mike N channel, and get these free forex signals and help yourself to become profitable if you're not yet profitable. And if you're already profitable, help yourself to be more profitable with these signals as well. Yes, this signal it's really, really it's the game changer for your trading. It's going to help your trading to go to the highest level of profitability. And once again, I say, this is not a bluff. You can join the channel and find out for yourself. So the link to the channel is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link to the Mike N channel, paste it in your browser, and visit the link, and it will take you to the Mike N channel. Join the channel and expect the signals. Yes, expect the signals, and the signals will come in. The signals will come in, right? Now, these signals are derived from highly profitable systems. highly profitable systems, and if you take the signals, they would really help you grow your money massively. Yeah, they really help you grow your money. So don't miss out on this. Join the channel. Don't overlook it because it is free. Do not make that mistake. I beg you, do not make that mistake. Join the MyKen channel today and get the free signals and take your trading to the highest level of profitability. And also, I offer account management service. Now, if you would like to get my account management service, you can go to the description below. If you'd like to engage my account management service, go to the description below. Copy the link to my direct Telegram contact. So my direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and visit the site. It will bring you to my DM, my direct DM, my DM on Telegram, right? So you can chat me up and let me know you want to engage my trading, my account management service, and I will let you know all that you need to know, and we'll talk about everything. One thing you need to know is that I don't make money except I don't get any commission except I make money for you. So definitely all my effort goes into ensuring that I make money for you so I can get my good commissions as well. So that is what you need to know. Yeah, so you can join the MyKen channel for free signals, massively profitable free signals, and you can you can also engage my Forex account management service. My DM on Telegram, the link to my DM on Telegram is in the description below, so you can reach me directly on Telegram with the link in the description below. So go ahead and use that link and reach me directly. So thank you very much for watching today's video. You can go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe, and ask any questions that you have. Thank you. Bye bye.